Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create mind maps in Canva. It is a very important skill to work on. It is a very demanding skill because almost every person need a mind map to brainstorm his ideas and other things. So first of all, we will go to fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platform where you can sell your services online and earn money through it. So let's get started and go to fiverr.com. So we are on fiverr.com. I search here mind maps, and it shows me 115 services available, means there are only 115 freelancers which are providing this service. So it is a low competition gig, and you know, as you can see, 91 orders review, 81 review, 8 reviews, 2 reviews, 22 reviews, means people are getting orders on this niche. So you can also get order and you can easily rank on this first page because this is a very low competition gig. So first of all, we will analyze one of the gig and let's see. I open his gig and let's see what he's selling and what he's providing. uh, in $10 he provide basic map with simple ideas. In he charge standard he charged $25, and structure ideas, and premium he charged $40. So this is a very easy skill to work on, and you can also analyze his gig and make your gig according to it. You can get different ideas from his gig, so keep analyzing his gig and make your gig according to it. So I think that's it for the Fiverr part, and let's go to canva.com and start creating mind maps. So I cancel this one and I am going to canva.com. This is canva.com homepage, and I write here mind maps. So the mind map size is 1920 by 1080 pixels. It is loading, wait for some seconds, and as you see it shows us different templates, but I will click on create a blank mind map. So I want to make a mind map according to my study. So that's why I search template according to study. Wait for some seconds. It is loading. So as you can see, he also write categories. So I want to create brainstorm and my mind map, sorry. So I think this one is good. Yeah, this one is good. So as you can see, this is a good mind map. You just easily customize it for first point, like wake up, doing, take rest for 2 hours. So I am customizing the mind map according to, according to my needs. It's just a dummy. I put just dummy text for your understanding. So after that, again, start study. This time study at least 4 hours. And this last one is go to bed. So that's it. So that's it for today. You can see how easily we can create the mind map. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn through it. And you can also create this for your own purpose or for selling this skill on Fiverr. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.